Embracing Imperfection by Storm Houle. In the quaint coastal town of Bellevue lived a young woman named Maya. She was a year 11, just having finished her GCSEs. She was always known in her class and the community around her for her infectious laughter, warm heart, and unwavering kindness. Yet, beneath Maya's radiant smile, she harbored a deep-rooted insecurity about her flaws. She yearned for perfection in a world that praised flawlessness. Little did she know, her journey towards self-acceptance would be a transformative one. Maya's perception of her flaws was heavily influenced by societal ideals. The glossy magazines, airbrushed billboards, and flawless social media feeds only exasperated her insecurities. Her curly hair, her freckles, and her slightly crooked smile became constant reminders of her supposed imperfections. One sunny day, as Maya strolled along the beach, she happened upon an elderly lady named Rosemary. Rosemary had an air of wisdom and a sparkle in her eyes that drew Maya in. Intrigued, Maya approached her, and an unexpected friendship blossomed. Over time, Rosemary became Maya's confidant, sharing her own journey of self-acceptance. She had once struggled with deep-rooted insecurities, but had learned to embrace her own flaws as unique attributes, adding to the beauty of her being. Intrigued by Rosemary's self-confidence, Maya yearned to uncover her own ability to love her flaws. Rosemary suggested an experiment. Each day, Maya would write down something about herself that she considered a flaw and find a way to see it as a beautiful characteristic instead. The first flaw Maya identified was her curly hair. She had always longed for sleek, straight locks like the models she admired. But instead of seeing her curls as unruly, she began to embrace her wild and carefree nature. She started experimenting with different hairstyles that accentuated her curls, and, to her surprise, received countless compliments from friends and strangers alike. Emboldened by the small victory, Maya delved deeper into her quest for self-acceptance. She tackled her freckles next, drawing attention to these delicate speckles as a reminder of the sun's gentle kisses on her skin. She realized they made her unique and told stories of fun-filled days under the open sky. With each flaw she accepted, Maya's perspective shifted. She became more open-minded and compassionate towards herself. She discovered that, in embracing her flaws, she was allowing others to feel comfortable with theirs as well. Maya's newfound confidence reached new heights when she decided to audition for the town's annual talent show. Despite her doubts, she chose to sing, a passion she had hidden away for years. As she stood on stage, her voice trembling with both fear and excitement, she closed her eyes and allowed the music to guide her. Maya sang from the depths of her soul, unafraid of judgment. When the final note faded away, the audience erupted in applause. Maya's performance had touched their hearts, not because of her perfect execution, but because of the vulnerability and authenticity she had shown. In that moment, Maya realized that true beauty lies not in flawlessness, but in the courage to be unapologetically oneself. Through embracing her flaws, Maya also learned the importance of surrounding herself with kind and supportive people. She distanced herself from those who perpetuated superficial ideals and surrounded herself with individuals who celebrated uniqueness and authenticity. As Maya continued her journey of self-acceptance, she began volunteering at a local community centre, helping others who struggled with their own insecurities. By sharing her own experiences, she inspired countless people to embrace their flaws and recognize their inherent worth. Maya's story spread throughout Bellevue and beyond. The once shy and self-conscious girl had blossomed into a beacon of acceptance and self-love. She helped others realize that true beauty cannot be confined to societal standards, but is found within the courage to embrace one's flaws and celebrate individuality. In the end, Maya taught us all that flaws are not blemishes to be hidden, but unique qualities that make us who we are. Through her journey, she discovered that loving oneself unconditionally is the greatest gift one can give, not only to themselves, but to the world as well.